What does Hilfer mean?
Hilfer is help.
Okay.
Die Hilfe. We don't need Hilfe. So wir brauchen keine Hilfe. Hilfe is feminine, that's why keine. Yeah. Sie bekommt dash job. Sie bekommt dash job. Okay, Revati, richtig? Ashwin wrote kind. Samriddhi wrote keine. And Sana, what is your answer for number 24? Sie bekommt dash job. Job is, by the way, masculine, their job. So it cannot be kaina, Samriddhi, because job ka article hi masculine hai, so it cannot be kaina. Either it can be kain or kainan. Now, kain hoga ya kainan hoga, that would depend upon that. Do we have here or like what we are talking about? Does this sentence have a direct object or not? This is the question you need to figure out here. So Revati wrote kainan, which is rishtish. Revati, could you tell me or could you tell everyone that why did you write here kainan? Revati? Okay, I think it's difficult for you to speak, so I'll not make it difficult. Okay, guys, let's do it. Job is the direct object here, and job ka article their job hota hai. So wo jab accusative mein change hoga, it will become kainan. So sie bekommt keinen Job. Yeah. Okay. Ich mag dash Probleme. Okay, Ashwin, here job is a masculine word, first of all, their job.
Okay.
Right? So their job, that means ye jab bhi agar accusative mein change hoga, to either it will change to einen job ya to keinen job.
But
Negative mein keinen. Yeah. How is it accusative? Sie bekommt, sie yahan pe nominative subject. So she becomes or she gets. Bekommen ka matlab hota hai to get. Bekommen means to get a job. So she gets a job. So the job is what job? This noun has become accusative. And Z is the, because we are talking about the job here. The action is getting. And what is getting? So she is getting a job. That's why it is job is accusative object.
I didn't get it actually. How did job come accusative?
Okay, but think about it. How we are dealing accusative? For example, okay, let's talk about it like that. अगर हम यहाँ पे अच्छा what is nominative subject?
When we're talking about that subject, when we're describing that subject, ish
Yeah.
bin glücklich or ish bin
ish. Okay, ish bin glücklich, right?
ish, yeah.
So is this ish bin glücklich is which kind of sentence? Nominative, accusative?
Nominative.
Why?
I am
happy. Right. And moreover, I told you that whenever a sentence has this ish, sind, bin, like the form of sein, it becomes nominative, right? This is what I told you. But here it is, sie bekommt a job. So she gets a job. So ये job को कहीं तो डालेंगे. This is an object, job, right? उसको क्या मिला? So she gets a job. So this is how we have to put the Z in the subject part and job in the object part.
Okay.
That's what it is. So Sie bekommt keinen Job. Okay. Ich mag dash Probleme. Antwort? What could be the antwort here? Problema ka article die Problema hota hai. Problema is plural. Always. Das Problem, die Problema. Rishtish Samriddhi, Rishtish Ashwin, Rishtish Revati, and Rishtish Sana. Du hast dash Geld. Geld, das Geld, money. So du hast. Revati Rishtish, Samriddhi Rishtish. Then, yeah, Sana Rishtish. And Ashwin, this is again kind. Okay, Sie haben dash Zeit. Antwort? Sie haben dash Zeit. Zeit का मतलब time, and time is a feminine noun in German. Richtig, alle drei, Revati, Ashwin and Samriddhi. Richtig, Sana? Yeah, richtig. Ihr habt dash Ahnung. Ihr habt dash Ahnung. Richtig, richtig, richtig. Ahnung is die Ahnung, so keine Ahnung. Okay, just a piece of advice here. Advice not, it's a trick. One of the tricks जो actually article में help करता है. All the words in German that ends with u and g, वो सारे feminine होते हैं. All the words that ends with u and g, you can see here Ahnung that ends with u and g, हर बार that has got the same article, that is a feminine noun. Remember, o and g. जब भी कोई word इससे खत्म हो, you have to just close your eye and write down this is a feminine article. और ये 99% टाइम 1% टाइम नहीं भी हो सकता है, जिसका चांस I am not gonna take because that is German. As a ihr habt keine Ahnung, ich trinke dash beer.
What's Anang mean?
Okay. Keine Ahnung मतलब होता है, keine Ahnung is like I don't know. So Ahnung is know, to know something, maybe, know. Like in Hindi we say जानना, to know something, that is Ahnung. So ihr habt keine Ahnung means you both don't know, or they don't know. That's what it is, Ahnung. Knowledge, you can also say another word for Ahnung could be knowledge or information. There are multiple meanings of Ahnung, so this can be that as well. Yeah. Okay, ich trinke dash beer. Antwort bitte. Beer is, yeah, richtig. Sehr gut. Sie isst dash Fleisch. Sie isst dash Fleisch. On a better note, Ahnung can be also idea, Ashwin. Idea, some sort of notion, idea, better. Sie isst kein Fleisch. Fleisch article, okay, kein is richtig. Ashwin and Samriddhi, you wrote keiner. Fleisch article is das Fleisch.
Okay.
Fleisch का article das होता है, so it has to be kein, not kein. Fleisch. Okay, ich mache dash Sport. Ich mache dash Sport. Sport is their sport. So now, kein. Samriddhi, why did you write here kind, dear? Do you think it's nominative sentence? Ich mache kein Sport, keinen Sport. I saw your answer as kein by mistake. Okay, that is fine. Ich mache keinen Sport. Im Café ist dash Platz. Tricky. Good. They have got a tricky question here. Last one, 32. Okay, Revati, sehr gut. Others? Im Café ist dash Platz. Okay, Ashwin, super. Sana and Samriddhi. Okay. And now anybody could explain me why did you write here kind Platz? So their Platz hota hai. So यहाँ पे why didn't you write keinen Platz? Why the sentence is nominative? Think. I've got a reason. You know the reason, obviously. I told you the verb ist, sein ka form. Whenever you have a sein ka form in any sentence, that sentence is nominative. That is kein Platz. Ist hai. The verb is ist. So whenever you have ist, sein is a nominative verb. Remember always. So whenever you have ist, you need not to think about any other ways. Just put them as nominative. Okay. Good. Yeah. So this was good. Ein Moment. Nitu, wir können morgen nicht 10 Uhr sitzen. Ich habe nicht kein frei. Bitte 6 oder 7 kann ich nur. Danke. Yeah, okay. So if you have ist, then it is nominative, remember. Okay, so as far as the exercises were concerned with the answers, you got it correctly. But then
What's ist mean?
Yeah.
In cafe is there is right? There is.
Yeah.
And Z is they.
Z is they, Z is you, Z is she as well.
But
Depends.
here, okay.
Yeah,
But then,
in cafe class means in the cafe there is place.
so ist and sind and bin all are same. As in same form.
They are same form, just with the subject they are changing, right? Ish ke saath it changes to bin, er ke saath, z ke saath it changes to ist, or third form ke saath, s ke saath it changes to is, wir ke saath it becomes zin, z ke saath it becomes zin, or ear ke saath it becomes zaid. So if you remember the conjugation, Ashwin, then zaid ka form hai sara ye. Ist, zind, zaid, bin, they're all zain form.
Ish what?
Ish bin. I am ish bin.
Must I never write it
I
down?
am.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, I think the verb that I told you कि ये जब भी रहेगा तो ये एक nominative होता है. That was a sein verb. Sein मतलब होता है to be. To be का मतलब होता है जैसे I am लिखते हैं, you are, and then we write we are. So this is to be. So in German we write it like this: Ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist. Yeah, then wir sind, ihr seid, and then sie sind. When I gave you this verb, I told you कि ये कोई particular pattern follow नहीं करता. You need to learn it. So this bist, bin, sein, sind, these are all form of sein, to be. इसका infinitive form है sein. Infinitive form जो verb अपने actual form में रहता है, and when it gets conjugate with the subject, तो ये इस तरीके से बदलता है. Similarly, जैसे माखन is the infinitive form. माखन is the infinitive form, मतलब इसी form में verb रहता है to do. लेकिन जब हम माखन को conjugate करते हैं तो वो बनता है माखा. Then do के साथ it becomes marks. RZS के साथ it becomes marked. लेकिन अगर आपसे कोई पूछे that what is the infinitive form of the verb, तो you would say माखन is the infinitive form. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे कि bin का infinitive form क्या है, तो you would always say sein. Sein is the infinitive form, and sein, when we conjugate sein with different subjects, for example, I, you, they, then we have to change the conjugation according to the subject. एक subject हमेशा verb को conjugate करता है. Ashwin, clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So sein is nothing. Sein is to be, और to be को हम इस तरह से German में we conjugated. Bin, bist, ist, sind, seid, ऐसे. Okay. So I didn't see the problem here in the exercises, but then I